Every garage owner starts the day with one big challenge: managing vehicles, customers, mechanics, and endless paperwork. Which vehicle is pending? Which repair is completed? Which customer needs an update? When everything depends on manual records, confusion is guaranteed. But now, there is a smarter way. Introducing AxisTechnolabs Garage Management Solution, your complete garage operations managed from one powerful system. From vehicle arrival to final delivery, track every step with complete visibility, create job cards, manage repairs, and keep every update organized. No more searching through files. No more guessing about repair status. Stay connected with your team and control your garage operations anytime. When your garage runs smarter, customers receive faster service and better experiences, because a happy customer builds a stronger business. Transform your traditional garage into a smart automotive service center. Manage repairs, track vehicles, grow faster. Choose AxisTechnolabs Garage Management Solution. For demo, the link is given in description.